Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Fantasy Cricket Production. And don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get my latest updates and videos. And coming to video, today we will discuss about KFC Big Bash match number 7. The match held between Sydney Thunders and Brisbane Heat. The match held in Canberra. It is a neutral pitch and support for batters and bowlers. The probable 11 of Sydney Thunders is Khawaja and Alex Hales both are opening in one down. Callum Ferguson, Alex Ross, Ben Cutting, Daniel Sams, Chris Green, Nathan McDrew, Baxter Holt, Jonathan Cook, Tanvir Sangha. In Brisbane Heat team, Max Brent, Sam Hazlitt, both are young talent. If both same, if for both are open same, most try to take Sam Hazlitt because he is a good averaging batsman and he will score more runs than Max Brent. Max Brent is very attacking batsman. He will score fastly. Chris Green, Daniel Lawrence, Tom Cooper, Jim Pearson, Simon Milanko, Jack Wood, Xavier Bratlett, Matthew Kunman, Ben Laughlin. In, they must try them if they are batting first, their team's batting first. Alex Ross, Alex Ross, Sam Hazlitt, Tom Cooper, Ben Cutting, Daniel Lawrence, and these five are most important if the team's batting first. They will play a very crucial role in their batting teams. Don't forget to must don't forget to try them if the team's batting first. These are mostly punt picks for their batting first teams in Dream 11. And if Sam Hazlitt opens, must try him in SL. He also very good player. Most of the members didn't know Tanvir Sangha which he bowling. He is a leg break bowler from under 19. He is very young talented bowler. He he is a wicket striking bowler and takes at least 1 or 2 wickets in match. Most probably Chris Green and Jonathan bowls in power play. Both are off break bowlers and very good experienced. And also Nathan McDrew, Ben Cutting, Daniel Sams will handle the fast bowling department. Daniel Sams will bowls win mostly in death overs, so must pick him for his team. And Ben Cutting is a hit or miss type player. In last match he flapped very badly, but try him in this match because he is a good striker. Jack Wood is a left arm orthodox. Matthew Kunman is a right arm leg break bowler. Must try spinners in SL team. Try to take at least 1 or 2 spinners in your SL teams because Australian batsmen are weak to play spinners again against to compare with the fast bowlers. They didn't have much skills to play spinners. This is the reason most mostly choose the spinners in order to coming to create the Dream 11 team. Jimmy Pearson from Brisbane Heat, Baxter Holt is available from Sydney Thunders. Sam Billings is not available because he is in quarantine. Matthew Glitch, if he plays, He is good pick last year. He played very well for Sydney Thunders. I will go with Jimmy Pearson. He is a good striking batsman. If the top order fails, he will be good pick punt. Baxter Holders bats at a very low order. It didn't useful in GL, so I didn't pick him. And Alex Sahels, Chris Link, Callum Ferguson, Usman Khawaja, Tom Cooper, Max Brent, Alex Ross, Seam Hazlitt. These are the batsmen from in Sydney Thunders and Brisbane Heat. Chris Link have very best average against Sydney Thunders, and Callum Ferguson also very good average and strike rate against Brisbane Heat. But these are two must picks in SL. And Usman Khawaja is a good clean striker and he has scored 388 runs from in last season. And Alex Hales is a second leading scorer in BBL after Marcus Stoinis in last year. So try them both. And Tom Cooper, Max Brent, Alex Ross, Sam Hazlitt. These four are your choice. Must try them at least two from batting section. In place of dropping Hales, Callum Ferguson, Khawaja, dropping any one of them. Daniel Sams, Daniel Lawrence, Ben Cutting, these are the best all-rounders from in all-rounder section. Sima Milanko is very risky to play in SL and must try in GL. Daniel Lawrence and Ben Cutting are badly performed in last match, but must try them because they have very good skills. Daniel Lawrence can bat at 2 down and bowls at least 2 overs. Ben Cutting bowls at least 3 overs and batting at late order. He can hit big sixes. Don't forget them. I will take three of them. And in coming to bowling sections, Chris Green, Jaku, Tanvir Sangha, Ben Laughlin, Shaver Bratlett, Mark Hunman, Jonathan Cook, McAndrew. These are the bowlers. And Mujibur Rahman is available for this match. If he plays, must take him in place of any other player, and you can drop Daniel Lawrence for him and Ben Cutting for him. He is a most important player. He has 6 economy in BBL history. He is very best. He is one of the best bowler in BBL history. And I will go with Ben Laughlin. Ben Laughlin, Jonathan Cook, and in order to have to take one bowler, I will go with Shaver Bratlett, and you can see my team. And Jimmy Pearson. In batsman section, most probably I will drop Alex Hales if he is batting first, and I will take Alex Ross for in place of him. And I will drop Daniel Lawrence, and I will take Max Brent. If Thunder's batting first, and suppose if if Heat bat first, I will drop I will drop Usman Khawaja, I will take Alex Sales, and I will try to pick Daniel Lawrence or Tom Cooper. I will drop Alex Ross. And in, or- in order, I will drop Ben Cutting if he is team batting second. I will go with Sam Hazlitt. But most probably this is the my team. 1 second. This is the my team, and the captain vice captain picks are in last match. Chris Lynn and Usman Khawaja are badly performed. You can take both of them captain vice captain selection. Callum Ferguson is the safest vice captain selection, and Access is also good for captain selection, and three of them are good for captain vice captain selection. But Daniel Sams is good for safest captain vice captain choice. Ben Cutting and Daniel Lawrence are risky picks, and you can try Ben Laughlin as we see in GL and SL also. And SL and GL picks are Alex Ross, Sam Hazlitt, Chris Lynn, Usman Khawaja, Daniel Lawrence, Ben Cutting, Daniel Sams, Jack Wood or Tanvir Sangam is our choice. Tanvir Sangam, Kunman, McAndrew, and Jimmy Pearson. This is this is the GL team, but it is very risky. Most of them not get much premium points, so it is very risky to play in GL also. But you can try. But you can try Chris Green in place of Jonathan Cook. Both are most popular bowls in power play. You can take any one of them. It's your choice. I'll go with Jonathan Cook. Last match he also performed, but he didn't give much dreamland points. So I will pick both of them. I will pick any one of them. So this is sorry. So I will take captain as Usman Kawad. I will go with again Daniel Lawrence, and vice captain as Usman Khawaja. And this is my team. You can go with any. I will pick any. I will pick for captain, vice captain choices. Other these four are the other captain, vice captain. These five are the other captain, vice captain choices. You can go with any of them. Okay, this is my team. You can go with according to your strategies and plans. And please don't. And this is my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get my latest videos and updates. And thank you. Thank you everyone.